Morning, Alec. Morning, guys. We're here na sa breakfast. This is our second breakfast here in the hotel. Okay naman siya. So, after namin dito, we have a pickup by taxi and we're going back home to Friesland. So, we're going home.
Disneyland?
Not Disneyland.
You said Disneyland.
So later, guys, we'll just have our breakfast. That is very good. Pushing tree. Oh, where are you going now? There's not there yet. Ayan na po, yung bata
No
batuta.
winter outfits.
There's no reception later once you go out.
Oh, you get the key already?
No.
Oh.
So we're going. Yan, dami naming bagahe, oh. Oh my God.
Oh, this is my luggage, guys, with wrapping.
Finally, we're home. Nagluto kami ng pork rib. Tapos, salad. Si Alec, ihip-ihip. Kumain na yan ng broccoli. Muna niyang kainin yung broccoli niya. Tapos ngayon pork chop. Dito na kami sa amin. And we're home. Kind of like that. Yeah, it's quite cheap. So, we're in Friesland. Lalakad kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa shop. Medyo maulan. Malamig. Ayan yung bata. Alec! Para kang eskimo. So, lalakad kami sa shop. So, dito, lagi, mostly, actually, lakad or bike. We don't really use car or train. So, kailangan comfy suot mo. So, like me, boots. Tapos, parang kapote kasi medyo maambon. Kaya may mga naiwan akong may mga jacket ako dito. So, yun, sinuot ko lang. Ay, umuulan later ulit. Umuulan na, guys. Lamig. So, ayan na. Naglalakad kami. So, ito yung suot ko. Bing! Para siyang kapote sa labas. Waterproof. And then sa loob, meron siyang thick na tela. So, it makes your body warm. Medyo maambon kasi dito. Pupunta kami sa shop. May bibiling kaming kalimutan ko para i-install sa room. Para sa heater. So, after namin kumain ng pork ribs na ang sarap. And then, nagawa lang ako ng salad. Yung cucumber, may pickles, and lettuce. And then, yeah, ito, walking na kami. So, this is what I like it here. Kasi, mas active kami, si Alec. Mas exposed sa labas. So, hindi lang nakakulong sa loob ng bahay. Yun lang. Medyo mas mahal dito. Kaysa sa Dubai. And, pan pa kanina, nung nasa taxi kami. Alam niyo ba dito, ang car wash pala, pag nagpa-car wash ka, ikaw maglilinis ng sarili mo. Diba? Car wash, but you have to clean by yourself. And then, yung malaking parang Toyota Innova, it's like 85 euro. My God! Parang gindo, diba? Magalaw yung video ko, no? Medyo magalaw, wala akong gimbal. Ang mahal ng car wash. And yun din yung taxi ang mahal. But anyway, at saka mahal dito yung tulad ngayon kasi malamig. So, gamit ang heater and then yung gas, mahal. So, pag maliligo ka, tipid-tipid ng konti ng ligo para hindi masyadong mahal bayaran. Anyway, ayan, umuulan na naman. Bye-bye ulit. Mamaya na. Bye! Later, guys. So, nakarating na kami dito sa hardware. So, ito yung village or yung community or probinsya namin dito. 629. What's that?
Lawnmower robots.
Everything is here. So we don't need
Hey,
really to
you're
go to
following me. You're so naughty.
so we don't need really to go to the city unless if we need some branded like Gucci, Chanel, DKNY, Kiehl's, Shiseido. Yes, then you need to go to the city. Pero other than that, we have everything here. We have hardware, supermarket, as in lahat-lahat.
Guys, look at this
Pabili ng
rainbow light.
bike.
Look at this rainbow light.
And salon, restaurant, bar. Nandito lahat sa village namin. So, which is good. And we're pleased with that. And it's quiet. It's very, very quiet. Not
Look
like
at
in
my
Amsterdam.
outfit, guys.
Look at her outfit now.
Boo Boo Bunny.
Saan mo nakita yung Bubu Bunny? Sa room natin?
Yeah.
So, basically, yeah, we have everything what we need here in the village, which is what we wanted. Simple life, very quiet life, countryside.
This is actually a grown-up jacket, but I can fit it, see?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'm big as Mommy Radio.
So, Daddy Albert is checking something. Bibili siya ng kailangan siyang ayusin sa bahay. But that's very productive first day here in Friesland. We did some grocery. Mamaya ayusin naman namin yung mga gamit namin, yung mga bagahe. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Say thank you for watching.
We're home, guys.
We're home. Finally, we're home. After 7 hours travel by plane and almost 2 hours by land. And finally, we're home. It's nice to be home, right, Alex?
Yeah, but this is like those the Philippines and Dubai are like Philippines is like our Christmas home.
Philippines are Christmas home daw. Kasi doon, nakakapamasko siya. Anyway, guys.
Christmas we go in Philippines, right,
Yeah,
Mommy?
yes. Thank you for watching. Salamat po sa inyong pananood.
If we go to Philippines,
Nawala ni daddy mo.
I'll meet Ate Julia, right?
Yeah, of course you will meet Ate Julia. Dali, mag-meet daddy mo. So that's it for today's guys. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And see you in our next vlog. Bye.